The flashcards on learn-biology.com cover every topic in the AP Bio curriculum. If you work with them the right way, you can set yourself up for success on your next test or on the AP Bio exam. Flashcards! The main message I have for you is to slow down. Master each card before going on to the next one. Here's how. First, look carefully at the question. That's practice for something that's very important on the AP Bio test, which is read the prompt. Think about the answer and then say the answer out loud. Why say it? Well, remember, on the AP Bio test, you have to get what you know out of your head and down on paper. You don't want to walk out of the test thinking, I knew it, but I just couldn't get the answer down. So you can't just think it. You have to do something. If you write down bullet points, that's even better. One possibility is that you might have a lot to say in response to the question. Good for you. If that's the case, click Check Answer. Carefully read what I wrote on the other side. If what you said or wrote matches up in terms of detail and accuracy with what I wrote, then click Got It and go on to the next card. At some point, you'll get to a question to which you don't know how to respond, or you might respond incorrectly. A good rule of thumb with flashcards is that if you can't start to produce an answer within 3 or 4 seconds after seeing the front side, you probably have some work to do. Now, many of us, when we're confronted with gaps in our knowledge, can start to feel pretty negative. Everybody has gaps in their knowledge. Discovering your gaps and filling them in is how you're going to set yourself up for a 4 or a 5 on the AP exam. So getting a card that you're not sure of is a good thing. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to notice that you had those negative thoughts and feelings, and then you're going to calmly say to yourself, I can do this. Then you're going to take a careful look at the answer on the other side of the card. It might help you to read it aloud. Then flip back to the question side. Read the question again. Take a breath and say the answer. Now compare what you said the second time to what I wrote. The second time there should be a closer match. Keep repeating this until you really know that card. Work to mastery on each card. Once you're at the point of mastery, there's another key move. You weren't at a mastery level the first time, so you're going to need more practice. Click the Need More Practice button. That'll put this card back into the stack so that you can practice it later. When you next see it, if you really crush it, then and only then should you consider clicking Got It. Master each card. All you need to do is devote the time and energy to make it happen. To access these flashcards, go to learn-biology.com and sign up. If you use these flashcards together with our free AP Bio Study Checklist, you'll have exactly what you need to succeed in your course and on the AP Bio exam. I'll see you on learn-biology.com, and please watch this next video.